Hey everybody, I am here with a little project I've been working on for another collector, Vacuum Freak 95, the YouTube name. This is an Elite motor to his Elite, or whatever his Elite vacuum is, I don't remember. Vacuum shops don't like dealing with, or I haven't found any vacuum shop, I'm sure they're out there, but nothing in my area likes to deal with bearings, that's for sure, especially on something cheap like this, considering apparently there's so many people that don't like Elites, but they're idiots for not liking Elites, because Elites are like the best. So yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, bearings are simple on this thing. You pull the one off the top here, and then you pull the one out of the bottom here. I didn't know how it worked. Obviously I figured it was pretty easy, and I offered to do it, and I finally got around to doing it. First it took a couple days to get the bearings, and then I ran into some work I had to do. And then what happened? Oh yeah, then I thought I was going to go buy the specialty bearing puller for small bearings. And then I was hesitating on that. But then I didn't end up needing it because I was going to try a method I used before, which was put a vice grips around the thing here, hold it at the edge of the table, and smack the top with a mallet. And the moment I put the vice grip on it, the bearing literally fell apart. And all I had to do was cut the inner shaft of the bearing off, which wasn't hard. So I slapped that bearing on there, and the bottom one gave me some trouble because you can't see it, but in there's a plate, and I had to drill the rivets out on the plate, and they were rather large rivets, so I had to go with even a bigger rivet, and I didn't have the original size or the bigger size, so I went and bought some bigger rivets, hold up number 1. And then what happened? Then I had to re-drill the holes because one rivet got stuck or something. It didn't line the plate up right, so I had to drill new holes for the thing. It wasn't too bad. They left spots for that. And then finally got the freaking plate in, and then put it together, and it doesn't turn on. Come to find, as I suspected, a carbon brush was stuck because the end of the holder got smushed when I was moving that plate around. So straighten that out. Haven't turned it on yet because while I was moving the carbon brush, one of them, or the end soldered piece, busted off, and my soldering iron is in the middle of heating up, so I can fix that. But the second part of this will be I am going to attach it to the base of my Futura, and we're hopefully going to see it run and hear it purr. Alright everybody, here we are with that Elite motor hooked up to my Futura here. I had the thing running for 10 minutes, seems to sound fine to me. Don't know why it would sound bad anyway, got brand new bearings in it. So yeah, I'll run it for a couple seconds here just so y'all can hear it. So there we have it.